Welcome back to Tech Grid Zone. In today's video, we're diving into the top home cool gadgets of 2025, all available on Amazon. If you're looking for innovative tech to upgrade your space, make your home smarter, or simply add some luxury, you've come to the right place. From gadgets that improve comfort to futuristic solutions that change the way you live, we've got it all. Stay tuned for the top picks, and trust me, Number 1 is a total game changer. Let's jump right in and explore these amazing products. In today's test, we're comparing the SwitchBot Air Purifier against other top brands in removing pet hair and purifying air. First, we put the SwitchBot Air Purifier through a pet hair removal test. With its 360-degree wide grid air intake in pet mode, it outperformed other models by efficiently trapping pet hair and dander. Next, we tested air purification efficiency. The SwitchBot Air Purifier cleans air faster, covering up to 1,800 square feet in an hour, while competitors took longer. The air quality table results show the SwitchBot consistently lowering particle concentration more effectively. When tested with smoke, the SwitchBot Air Purifier removed smoke quicker than other units, proving its superior smoke filtration. Another standout feature, it adjusts lighting based on PM 2.5 concentration levels, offering a sleek and dynamic display. The powerful purification system ensures you breathe cleaner air faster. And when it comes to convenience, the SwitchBot features wireless charging, making it easier than ever to keep it running. Plus, with its sleek design, it fits perfectly on any table. The Solaris 718 space heater delivers widespread warmth for up to 300 square feet, making it perfect for large rooms. With a remote control, you can easily adjust settings from anywhere. Its 120-degree customizable oscillation ensures the heat reaches every corner of the room. Experience fast warmth delivery with a DC motor that provides ultra-quiet performance, heating up at an impressive 10.33 feet per set. The 153% larger PTC heating area ensures consistent and efficient warmth. In just 2 seconds, the Solaris 718 provides instant heat, so you're never left waiting. Standing at 30-inch in height, it offers 5 heat levels and precise temperature control for maximum comfort. Plus, it's designed to save you energy, reducing power consumption by 50%. Safety is a priority with 8 layers of protection, and the portable handle design makes it easy to move around. Set the timer for up to 12 hours and enjoy peace and quiet with a low noise level of just 25 dB. The Solaris 718 offers unparalleled comfort and efficient heat wherever you need it. Introducing the Meter Plus 2, the newest innovation in smart cooking. Cooking has never been easier. Just insert the probe, set up the app, and start cooking with confidence. With the Smart Temperature Multi-Sensor, Meter Plus 2 uses Bluetooth technology and a Bluetooth booster to extend its range. Powered by Bluetooth 5, it offers a long range and high resolution with pinpoint accuracy to ensure your food is cooked perfectly every time. Monitor your cook from anywhere, anytime. Stay connected here, stay connected there, and stay connected everywhere. Receive alerts directly on your phone to ensure you're always on top of your cooking. Whether you're grilling, using the oven, cooking on the pan, in a toaster oven, slow cooker, deep fryer, or even open flame grilling, Meter Plus 2 ensures perfect results every time. It's 100% waterproof and charges fast, so you're always ready for your next culinary adventure. Experience the next level of smart cooking with Meter Plus 2. Transform your space with the Cozzia RGBIC floor lamp, featuring music mode for dynamic lighting that syncs with your favorite tunes. Customize your experience with DIY graffiti mode, allowing you to create unique lighting designs. Enjoy segmented control for different light effects on each part of the lamp, perfect for creating personalized atmospheres. Choose from a variety of scene modes to set the mood, whether it's for a movie night, party, or relaxation. Use the leisure night light for a soft, ambient glow that's perfect for winding down. Set the perfect time to turn the lamp on or off with the Smart Timer feature, adding convenience to your lifestyle. With Cozzia Smart LED Floor Lamp, you can control it all with ease through the Cozzia app or voice commands. Elevate your home with vibrant, customizable lighting for every occasion. Introducing the Ghost Massage Bed powered by Cozzia, brought to you by Cozzia, the global leader in massage technology. Beneath the cooling Ghost Ice cover and comforting gel-infused memory foam, you'll find the exclusive Ghost Massage Air Therapy layer. The Ghost Massage Air Therapy is thin and undetectable, providing a gentle experience unlike traditional massage rollers that often feel hard and rigid. Instead, soft, supportive air cells can form comfortably to your body while supporting up to 750 pounds of weight. This innovative bed includes a whisper-quiet control box that requires just one outlet for power and can be easily tucked beneath your bed, keeping your setup clean and seamless. With the Ghost Massage Bed, you can start exploring the many options for customizing your massage experience. Adjust settings for targeted relief and personalized comfort, turning your bed into a spa-like retreat for relaxation and recovery. Introducing Amazon Astro, the smart household robot for home monitoring and assistance. With advanced AI and smart navigation, Astro patrols your home and sends real-time alerts if anything unusual is detected, integrating seamlessly with Ring Protect Pro for complete security. Astro is also a versatile companion, letting you check on rooms, pets, or loved ones with its built-in periscope camera for unique viewing angles. Stay connected through video calls as Astro follows you from room to room, making communication more fluid. With Alexa built in, Astro plays music, controls smart home devices, and sets reminders. Compact and adaptive, Amazon Astro brings together security, connection, and convenience in one intelligent mobile device. And that's a wrap for today's video. These top home cool gadgets of 2025 are sure to make your life easier, more fun, and more efficient. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews. And remember, you can find all these products linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.